Hello guys, welcome to the new video of wFixing. So here's how to fix Windows 10 Grub Rescue in 6 quick steps. So we have some steps to solve this Grub Rescue problem. Okay, so you have to follow me exactly what I am following here or what I am doing here. Each steps you have to follow clearly. Okay, so for that what we will do is first is one clean install Windows 10. So how to do that? Okay, so for that we will see here the solution is this method installs Windows 10 OS afresh on your PC, thereby wiping off previous system installation. So guys, what I was doing, I was telling is you have to upgrade the PC now and create installation media for another PC. Okay, so you can do that by your own. So second solution is set the correct partition. For that what we have to do is, guys, we have to enter in the disk part mode and list disk. Okay, so for that I will open command prompt first. Command prompt, open. Okay, open our command prompt and you can see here my command prompt, and what we have to do is we have to type some commands. That is, first is list disk. First is list disk, but first you have to type here disk part, and I think it will work in a boot mode. So you can see here we are in the disk part now in the second screen. So I will simply increase the screen of this. Okay, and simply for your convenience what I will do here is I will increase the font of this. Okay, so 1 minute, I will increase the font of this. So you can see here the font is increased, and I think you are now able to see all these commands exactly. Okay, so guys, now what we have to do is we have to type some command here. That is, our first command is list disk, and you have to follow the same commands as it is. Okay, and then we will go through in the boot mode. So first is list disk, enter. Then what we will do is select disk N, and N means install, and list volume. Okay, list volume. You can see here we have listed the volume, and select your volume N. Okay, select volume, and there is no volume selected. It's showing that, guys, but our main aim was to list a disk and list volume. Okay, that was our main aim. So our second solution is use Windows 10 automatic repair to restore the boot sector code. So what we will do is we will type here the advanced startup. We have to type here advanced startup option. So in the search bar you can type advanced startup. I just type here ADV, then it comes to me, that is change advanced startup options. So I will simply click on OK, open, and after that, going through that, what we will do is we will restart. So this is not a simple restart, guys. So it will open our PC in a boot mode. So you can see here we have opened in our boot mode. So what we will do is we will go to troubleshooter, then we have to type click on advanced startup. Then what we have to do, select is startup repair. So guys, it will take some time to automatically repair the PC. So it will take time to reopen our PC. Okay, so you have to wait for it. Okay, so we will be waiting for that. You can see here it's taking time. but you have to wait a bit, so it will restart and diagnose your PC. So you can see here it's showing that to me, that is please wait, and so we are in this mode, and you have to select your account. Because I am selecting a temporary account, so it will not diagnose my PC or repair my PC. Okay, so only for reference I am doing this. Okay, I will click on continue. So you can see here it's showing diagnosing your PC. It means our PC is being repaired automatically. Means it is known as a startup repair. You have to wait a bit for to done this. So you can see here startup option, startup repair couldn't repair your PC because I haven't opened this PC in main mode. I have this another version. So I will click on advanced option again, and we will try our next method. So what we will do is we have to create a rebuild BCD method here to solve this problem. Okay, again what we will do is we will open our command prompt here. So click on troubleshooter, advanced options, and then command prompt. So you can see in front of me the command prompt window, and I will simply increase the size of the font here to see you guys. So I think you can see now the command prompt window correctly. Okay, now we can proceed with the same. So I will run 3 commands of rebuild BCD. Okay, so what we have to rebuild BCD means what we have to do is we have to type here the 3 commands that you have to type same. Okay, that is boot rec space / fix mbr, enter. The operation completed successfully. Then another command is boot rec space / fix boot, enter. Access is denied because I have what I have did is I have open this by my static user, means this is my not the main user. I have opened the boot system. Okay, so second is boot rec rebuild BCD, last command our boot rec space / and I will type here rebuild BCD, rebuild BCD. You have to check here the command properly because it can be wrong, so it will not work. Boot rec and rebuild BCD. Okay, I type enter. Scanning all disk for Windows installation. Please wait since this may take a while. So the operation completed successfully. Total identification window installation 0. Okay, so it has successfully scanned. So I will type here exit to exit command prompt, and we have founded our solution. So I will click on continue. So thanks for this, guys. This was one of the solutions of ours. Okay, so thanks for this. Hope you guys will find your solution. Thank you.